Hiya, this is John Latter, reporting from Wetherspoons washroom in the 8 Bowls, Dover. Went for a cycle ride this morning, pouring down, had my waterproofs on, no problem. But I think my feet were a bit damp. So, let's have a look. One boot off. Two boots off. One sock off. Two socks off. Beautifully deformed feet. Socks were clean on in July, so any discoloration from these pound-run socks is due to the dye coming out. Here you go. Another of life's adversities that I have to put up with. That's it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.